Hey, so if VLC is not responding on Windows, yeah, like it freezes, stops reacting, or just gets stuck on a loading screen, that can be really frustrating. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to fix it quickly. First, give it a few seconds. I mean, sometimes VLC just temporarily hangs while loading a heavy video. Next, yeah, if it's fully stuck, open Task Manager and end the VLC process. Now, reopen VLC after closing it. This resets the session and clears temporary glitches. Yeah, try another video file. I mean, sometimes a corrupted file is what causes VLC to freeze. Now, hardware acceleration can sometimes cause VLC to hang. Try disabling it in settings. Yeah, corrupted cache files can make VLC stop responding. Clearing them can fix the issue. Now, run VLC as administrator. I mean, this gives it proper system permissions to run smoothly. Yeah, make sure VLC is updated. Older versions can freeze or stop responding on Windows 11. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall VLC. This fixes broken files and resets everything cleanly. So yeah, that's how you fix VLC not responding on Windows. Most of the time it's heavy files, cache issues, or background glitches. Try these steps and VLC should work smoothly again. Thanks for watching.